Example 2C, we have an addition, and as you guys can see, it's a little more complex. We want to be able to factor the denominator so we can make both fractions the same. Both denominators of fractions the same. We are going to factor, I'm going to factor right underneath just to make it a little shorter process. The factors of 2x squared are 2x and x. The factors of -4 are 4 and 1, 2 and 2. That's an 7. So I'll place my 4 here. So that'll give me an 8. And this will be a 1. I'll make this a positive and this is a negative, and that works great. I'm going to factor this out, double parentheses. The factors of x squared are x and x. Factors of 24 are 6 and 2, 8 and 3, and 2 and 12. Let's see, what should I use? 6 and 4. This will be a negative, that will be a positive. Now, I can make both denominators the same. On the right hand side, I'm going to need a 2x minus 1. So remember to do on top, on the bottom. On this one, to make them the same, I just need an x minus 6. So x minus 6, x minus 6. Now that the denominators are the same, let me go and rewrite it. I'm going to use my distributive property. So I have 5x minus 30. Denominators will be x minus 6, 2x minus 1, x plus 4. And I know it's a bit tiny. Plus distributive property in here. So it'll be 4x minus 2. Denominator will be x minus 6, 2x minus 1, x plus 4. Now that the denominators are the same, we can combine like terms. So that'll be 9x minus 32. Denominator, we'll just keep 1. X minus 6, 2x minus 1, and x plus 4. We want to be able to factor the top. Nothing we can factor out, so we are done. This will be our final answer. So very similar to the previous problem. Let's go through letter D. Let me see if I have enough space in here. I should. We are going to factor the denominator, but before that, if you notice, we have a subtraction. We're going to make an addition, and that to the opposite. Just makes our life a little bit easier. I'm going to factor the denominator, so I'm going to have x plus 3, and on the right, we have the difference of two squares, so this will be x minus 3, x plus 3. We want to be able to make the denominators the same, so I'm going to multiply the left by x minus 3. X minus 3. And the right, I'm going to need, I have an x plus 3, but I need 2 of them, so I just need an x plus 3. X plus 3. Now the denominators are the same. Let me go and multiply the top. I'm going to have to FOIL. So x times x, x times 1. That will give me x squared plus 1x. Negative 3 times x is negative 3x minus 3. Denominator is x minus 3. And I'm going to rewrite this as x plus 3 squared. Plus distributive property, negative x minus 3. Denominator will be x minus 3. And I'm also going to rewrite it as x plus 3 squared. Now that the denominators are the same, I can combine like terms. I'm going to combine all of these x's. So let's say I have x squared. That gives me negative 2. That gives me negative 3x. Combine both numbers. That'll give me a negative 6. Denominator, I have x minus 3, x plus 3 squared. Now I can try factoring this out, but in this case, it's not possible.